Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Thursday, 17th of March. And guys, if you're interested in taking a trading course, you can check the link is in the description. Just go to the description. You're going to see a link to buy the trading course, and that's what you want to check out. All right. So right now, what is going on in the daily is that I told you about this falling wedge, and I was actually supporting the fact or the idea that SLP is making a bullish pattern, and it was actually not bearish at all. So this is absolutely playing out perfectly, that you had a falling wedge, you went like this, and then you broke to the upside. Now what's next? You've already made the breakout, you've already made the green candle. So in my opinion, it makes sense for SLP to come a little bit down here, touch the trend line at the 160, have a reaction, and then you pick to the upside to go to the 21. Do you get my point here? Because half truth of falling wedges remains in the retest. Half of the work is done, the breakout is done, half of the work has left, and that's the retest. If the retest is successful, because it could be a fake out and you go down, don't get me wrong, right? That's why I'm saying half of the truth has to be answered. And if you do come down here, touch this trend line, Bitcoin makes it nice, good moves, then hasta la vista, baby. You're looking to go to the 21 level. And that would be a nice trading opportunity of, if it does come here, if you enter there, 34% to the upside. That would be amazing. That would be absolutely amazing. Do you get my point here? So SLP, guys, to me, as I said before, it's a coin that is looking really good. You've already broken out of a very big resistance, and you're not falling into the trap of that big resistance. Now what you're doing here is a nice good progress. All you have is a low and a higher low right there. Who knows, you can start to have an impulsive wave to the upside. So if you do start to get that impulsive wave, if this is your bottom right here, then I'm going to take the top to the bottom right there, and we're going to talk about the next impulsive move. In my opinion, first of all, you're going to find resistance at the 225, because this is where you have that rising wedge, falling wedge. Do you see that? It's even confirmed on the Fib retracement, guys. And then from there, you're going to have 28. So when you cross the 28, I'm looking for 0.0741 in the future, potentially by April, May, in the next 2 months. So that if again you do enter down here at the retest and it ever goes there, that's 300%. If it comes here, that's 70%. Okay. And if it does go to the 225, it's 34%. So it's going to be a wavy journey, just like it was a wavy journey with the downside like this. It's going to take time like this to also actually go to the upside potentially. Got my point? So this was just a quick update for me to tell you what's going on. So let's wait for the retest and think about the entry. Or if you entered and you're in profits, you're looking for a long term, potentially this won't even bother you. You don't have to be bothered. This is just for those who are looking for the entries in a coin, in a particular coin. You get my point here? So the one who are looking for entries, wait for the retest. That's the only thing I'm gonna say. The ones who are holding long term, um I guess that's not an issue. I don't think it's an issue at all. Honestly, not financial advice though. And once again, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for the good comments and support. Make sure you're following this channel if you're new, and check out the trading course if you want to step up your game in trading and technical analysis, as I've been doing. And I've been, analyzing SLP since day one, and I've been right so far on the money. If you want to learn the same way that I'm doing this stuff, this is just the course that I created with like all my heart and soul put into it. So check it out, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.